Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to open multiple websites with using quick shortcut key. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, whenever we're going to search anything in Google, right now I'm going to search in Google about YouTube and hit enter. So normally what we do if we want to open this website with new tab, just normally we right click over there and we click open link in new tab. Same way if you want to see another search, same way we right click over there and click on new tab. But there is a shortcut key, quick shortcut key to open all this website with new tab. How you can do so? It's really easy and simple. Example, you want to open this with new tab, just press in your keyboard Ctrl and in your mouse right click. So I'm just long press key, Ctrl key, and in my mouse I click right click and it's going to automatically open. So that's quite fast, so it will make you work more faster. So long press on the Ctrl key and the right click in your mouse, so it's going to immediately open new tab. So this is how you can easily open a new website or new tab and using this quick shortcut key. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.